Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your IQ option account. Right now we are here in the trade option and we want to verify our account. So what you need to do is click here on your profile, and then from now we click here on update your questionnaire. Right now we just give them the wrong answers, but if you answer correct, you will follow the progress right here by just giving them the good answers that they need. Then you fill in your personal details, then proof of identity, then proof of address, then your TIN code from your country, and then do the email confirmation, and then you completely verify your account. But keep in mind, first of all, you need to give them the good answers, and then after that, you can do all the following steps. So this is how you verify your IQ option account. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.